Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix your language proficiency with Babbel step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Babbel website. Create an account by providing your email and choosing a password. Select your target language from the available options. Indicate your current proficiency level, whether you're a complete beginner or have some experience. Choose a learning path that aligns with your goals, such as travel, business, or general conversation. Start with the first lesson in your chosen course. Engage with the interactive activities, which may include listening, speaking, reading, and writing exercises. Take advantage of the speech recognition feature to practice your pronunciation. Utilize the review sessions provided to reinforce what you've learned. Set a regular study schedule to maintain consistency in your practice. Explore additional resources, such as cultural articles and podcasts, to enhance your understanding of the language. Participate in Babbel's community forums to connect with fellow learners and native speakers. Monitor your progress through the personalized dashboard to stay motivated. Adjust your learning path as needed, focusing on areas where you may need more improvement. Incorporate Babbel into your daily routine, even if it's just for a few minutes each day. Apply what you've learned in real-life situations, such as speaking with friends or traveling. Remain patient and persistent, as language learning is a gradual process that requires time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.